So what are the dimensions? 660, 270, 280. And I'd say the same the other way, it's round. That's it on the back of my KTM, 1190. It's bigger than you think. Weighs a little bit more. I'm sure it's going to be fine. So here it is on my Harley. I mainly bought it for the Harley. Sits alright on the tour pack. About the right size, not wider than the bike, which is good. Set up this way. Sorry about the mess. Bike's getting a service at the moment, so sorry about it pulled apart a bit. That's it sideways on the KTM. You know, I'm not sure on this bike though. Fuck me. Who did this up? Okay, we've all had swag. Okay, let's have a look. Look, the swag is brand new. It's going to take a bit of stretching out, sit it out for a night or two, I think. You know, oh, it looks alright. Canvas feels thick enough. Canvas feels okay. It's light. It's not like a normal heavy duty swag, but it seems okay. Mesh seems okay. It's got the blow up mattress in it. There it is there. I haven't blown it up yet. I'll get on it tomorrow. But look, it's got enough room. The canvas seems okay, you know, like you can't knock it around. The bottom part's fine, you know. Plenty of room in there. Normally you struggle with trying to fit your helmet and all the rest of your gear, you know, inside it. This looks alright. Don't know about the, you know, adventure bike stuff, but you know, I always use a tent because you've got that much gear with you. So, well, looks alright. It's made for the Harley, and that's what I wanted it for. Well, my head and my feet touch. And what am I, 6'2", 6'3", with the fat guts? few beers. Might have had a few beers, maybe a couple of Lamingtons too. Jump in, Dale.
No.
Yeah, that'll be alright. Like sideways. Sideways, there's no worries. I'm actually going to put this emergency blanket in it. There's one thing I know about sort of air mattresses, that the air is cold, and this mattress here doesn't have an R value to it. You get your hiking mats and they'll have an R value. So in Victoria, you know, high country, you get cold, you know, so you can see there's not a great deal of insulation in it. They're saying that it'll be okay, and it probably is, you know, up north and warmer areas be great, but I don't know, if you're cold, you're cold. I'd rather be too hot and pull the stuff off me rather than cold and then shiver all night and you're tired. So the other thing is too is, listen, I'll blow it up, try it, but why would you want to listen to that? Why don't you just put a decent mat in, an RVU mat? Don't buy these pumps, they're actually shit. So while this thing's pumping up, so who would buy this swag? I'm thinking if I had to put it on this bike and do an outback trick like they normally do, you know, on the KTM, middle of Australia, you know, bull dust, all that sort of stuff. We still run with the ultralight hiking gear. You can't beat it. Moscow 80, we've got all that on the back of it. Tent, you know, just everything lightweight. This thing's a little bit big and a little bit heavy. So why would I buy it? What would I use it for? I'd use it for this girl. I'd use it to go on the back of this, overnighter, quick and easy to set up. If I'm going for a few days though, I think I would still take the tent. Okay, I've blown it up. You listen to this. I don't know if you can hear it. It's the crunching from that silver paper that it says to put in here to keep you warm. Because it has no R value. There's no way you could sleep with this thing in here all night. It's like a bloody, it's like a packet of chips. Okay, that's what he recommends to put in. Okay, that's one of them survival blankets. Listen to the noise it makes. There is no way in the world you can sleep with that in there. So there it is on my Harley. I don't think I'd want to put any more into that bag, to tell you the truth. You just wreck it. So it takes up the whole tour pack, as you can see. I don't think I've got an extended seat. I'm tall, so you know, look, it works all right, I think, for this application, but I don't think I'd want to put it on the adventure bike. Saying all that, look, a lot of money for what it is. You can't really get anything else on the market half decent these days, unless you're sleeping in a cocoon. You know, if you're going for extended periods, take a tent. If you're going overnight and just need to move each day, or just an overnighter on the piss, then maybe this is for you. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. I'd throw the mattress out though, because it's not an R value mattress.